there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews Tutorials video. Good news, these door handle things here. Bad news that BMW made the soft plastic so that they fail. You'll see I've got one here where it's all peeled off. I have replaced the entire bucket on a couple of these before. I have also just put a little sticker on the top. But good news, because replacing the whole bucket is quite a bit of work. You've got to take the whole trim off, all the electronics off and screw a new one in. But the good news is they have now, China has got a copy system which we can just slide the back out, and that is very simple. Get your fingers over the top of that and pull that up. See, that's coming up like that. That'll pull out. Grab some pliers if you need it. But have a look at that shape there, and you see at the bottom of this, that actually pushes in, and we've got ourselves a complete replacement that will go straight over the top of this old dodgy bit here. The one where it's just a little bit stuck on the top wasn't great, because you could really feel it, really feel the ridge. This one, I'm going to give that a bit of a, yep, that's clicked into place. Oh my gosh, how simple and straightforward is that? That feels wonderful. Let's give the door a close. There you go. That's the simple one people have been looking for. The little stick on the top, that was pretty hopeless. You could really feel the ridge underneath. I did that to a car for a while. Changing the whole thing was great. If anything, it's lost a little bit of its inward angle. It slopes in a little bit now, but considering how easy to put that is, that's an absolute ripper. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can buy one of these, and same as I did, pull the back out, swipe it in, give it a bit of a hit, and she's done. Much superior system. Really looks the part. Good tight fit. Yeah, that's a ripper and super simple to put in. Link in the description.